What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are looking at this Utilitough trailer right here. We've got two 7,000-pound axles. That gives us a total of 15,000 pounds capacity. Let's go in for a closer look. All right, so you can see here, well put together mechanics going on here. Good quality chain. Great coupler piece right there. Everything's looking pretty good from a build perspective. It's even got a compartment. Let's go ahead and open that up. All right, so here is our compartment. So as you can see, you got plenty of space in here, whatever equipment that you need, extra chains, ratchets, whatever it is, straps, you can put them in here and travel with them with plenty of space to spare. All right, so it's a trailer, right? So there's really nothing much to it other than will it stand up to whatever use that comes its way. But the cool thing about this trailer is that it is a gravity tilt. So let me show you how that works. So it's actually pretty simple. You just go ahead and you pull this right here, like so. Pull that out, pull that up, and as you can see, we are starting to tilt already. So for the full tilt, just go ahead, assist it here. You can see how nice that is. You don't have to worry about pulling out any ramps or anything like that. You can just tilt it, now you're ready to go up. And once you've got everything loaded up, let's show you what that looks like as it goes down. So it has a cylinder underneath. Actually, you know what? Before we go down, let's show you what's underneath there so you can see it for yourself. We got a cylinder under there to assist with lowering it slowly so it doesn't slam. So here's underneath. You can see that cylinder there. And you can see pretty simple build, nothing too crazy. Again, the wells look pretty good, quality looks good. We'll see how it actually stands the test of time. All right, so now it's coming down. So you can imagine you've driven your equipment up and now it's coming down. And as it's going down, you just wait until it hits the spot where it's fully flush. So here we are at this spot here. So what I would say is if you're driving up a vehicle, you're going to want to have that vehicle sit right here at this spot. So it will help you with being able to lock it back in place. But what I'll just do for now is I'll just use my foot. I'm going to hold my foot right here. And all we have to do is pull this out and push that down. And let it snap in again. Once it snaps in, we're good to go. It's not going anywhere. All right, so there it is, folks. That is the trailer. So far, no regrets. Everything is working out good. I just want to give a shout out to Chad over at M7 Equipment in Lenoir, North Carolina. If you're in the market for a trailer and you can make it over to Lenoir, actually, if you're in the Charlotte area, if you're in the Charlotte metro area and you want a trailer like this, head over to M7 Equipment. Tell him BT sent you. He'll take care of you. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.